Hi, friends. Today, you guys are going to be listening to a read aloud called The Story of Ruby Bridges. And in this story, it's going to tell you about a little girl named Ruby Bridges and her life and some of the things that happened to her. And while the read aloud is going, I want you to think, how did people treat Ruby? Do you think she was treated fairly? Would you like to be treated the way that people treated her in the story? So we know that part of being treated fairly is getting what you need. Not necessarily getting the same thing as everyone else, but being treated fairly is getting what you need. And we learned that from our read aloud with the animals. Another part of fairness is treating people the way you would like to be treated or treating them kindly. So you should treat them with respect and you should treat them as they are your friend. So while you're listening to this read aloud today, think, how did people treat Ruby? Was she treated fairly or unfairly? And would you like to be treated the way that she was? When you're done listening to the read aloud, you're going to answer the question or write a sentence to tell me about how people treated Ruby. So Ruby was not treated fairly because, so think back to the story and think of some of the ways that people were treating her or things that she had to go through in this book, and tell me one reason that you think she was not treated quite fairly.